the all-new Dunlop Sportmax Q3, the next-generation successor to the highly praised Sportmax Q2. The Sportmax Q3 delivers next-generation sport performance thanks to Dunlop's new carbon fiber technology and more. This is a remarkably effective, high-performance sport tire that was designed, tested, and manufactured in America.
One thing about Dunlop that's kind of special for people riding here in the U.S. is that with our design capabilities in the United States and our testing in the United States and our manufacturing in the United States, we're focused on the way people ride here. So at Dunlop, we're able to take that expertise we have in our race tires that we go into the AMA spec tires and put that same technology into the street.
The Sportmax Q3 is manufactured in Dunlop's Buffalo, New York plant and was developed at the Dunlop Proving Grounds in Huntsville, Alabama. Based on decades of experience in producing race-winning tires, Dunlop enjoys a performance heritage that's second to none. And with these race tire building capabilities now in place in the Buffalo plant, Dunlop engineers had the freedom to create the Sportmax Q3, the next generation sport tire that's equally at home on the street and the track.
Now we've got license to do many more things with that capability in the plant. It gives us much more freedom, design freedom, to go and advance those technologies even further, make NTEC 2 and put that ultimately on the racetrack and ultimately on the street.
The biggest breakthrough with the Sportmax Q3 is Dunlop's new carbon fiber technology, or CFT, a carbon fiber reinforcement element in the tire sidewalls.
So with sport tires, obviously everybody's looking for performance and value for what they're getting out of the tire. In the case of the Q3, we have exciting new technology for the sidewall of the tire where we have carbon fiber built into the apex of the tire. And this gives a lot of performance advantages that we won't be able to bring to the market.
CFT helps the Sportmax Q3 exhibit exceptional cornering stability, especially at high lean angles. The Q3 also features a new tread pattern utilizing Dunlop's famous cosecant curve design, now with fewer grooves that are longer in length. It looks more like a racing GPA than ever before. Yet extensive testing proves these longer length grooves enhance wet weather performance by routing water away more effectively from the contact patch. The new Sportmax Q3 also incorporates Dunlop's intuitive response profile design for phenomenal steering and handling characteristics. The Sportmax Q3 also features MT multi-tread technology that uses a tough, cool-running, long-wearing compound in the center of the tread to provide enhanced straight-line stability, excellent traction under acceleration, and longer tread life, plus lateral grip compounds on the left and right sides of the tire face for enhanced traction at various lean angles. For the Sportmax Q3, Dunlop engineers selected lateral grip and long-wearing compounds specifically formulated for maximum sport bike performance. The lateral grip compounds in the Sportmax Q3 were derived directly from Dunlop's road racing compounds. Dunlop engineers also worked to optimize tire carcass construction in the front and rear Sportmax Q3 tires to create a very consistent contact patch.
We look for everything that you can imagine, from dry grip, wet grip, turn-in, bump compliance, things like rebound damping, impact damping, how a tire settles down. When we evaluate, we isolate each of those categories. And what we're trying to do with Q3 is take the whole sum of all those categories, which is probably 15 or so individual items that we look at, and we want to blend it all to make one marvelous tire.
By delivering new, elevated levels of performance in wet and dry conditions on the street as well as at the track, the Sportmax Q3 establishes an entirely new benchmark for sport tire performance.